Hey collectors, here is a look at the G.I. Joe classified series version of Serpentor. And I would like to thank Black Dragon Toy Store for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. At the back of the box, there are artworks depicting events that took place in the cartoon series involving Serpentor by Sunbow Production. The package is a slipcase, and once you pull out the box, it's a book type, and when you open it, you can see Serpentor plus the accessories that he comes with, and the other side will contain his air chariot. Once you open the second half, it will reveal an artwork for the air chariot and parts of the vehicle that needs to be assembled. And this is what the whole book type package of Serpentor looks like. Once you pull out the box, at the side of the book type enclosure, you can see that most of it is the air chariot for the figure. And I don't think you can put it back inside the box once it is fully assembled. And here is the figure. Serpentor is much taller than most of the G.I. Joe figures in the classified line by Hasbro. So as not to make this review very long, I will just be focusing on the figure of Serpentor and not the air chariot. Out of the plastic tray, Serpentor stands at 7 inches tall and is fully posable like all other figures in the classified series. And the one thing that I really like about this figure is that his cape is made of cloth. And here is the back side of the figure. Not only is the cape made of cloth, but it also has that scaly details that you can see from a snake, which is a very good design by Hasbro for the figure of Serpentor. After heating up the joints so that it will loosen up, the figure can be posed in a simple action stance. But again, use the base or the air chariot or some other action figure support when you want to put this figure in more dynamic poses aside from what I did here. I was only lucky enough to find the center balance and the figure did not fall down during this video shoot. And also be careful manipulating the arms because you might rip off the cloth cape that Hasbro made for this figure. And again, use an action figure stand if you want to put him in more dynamic poses. After decades, now I have the best version of these two characters. Duke and Serpentor fighting it out like what you saw in the G.I. Joe film. And it's much better now because they are in the 6-inch scale. Both figures are superposable. Serpentor has a cloth cape. And of course, you can put him in his air chariot and drag around Duke like what happened in the film. With all the details in his suit plus the air chariot, this is one impressive figure made by Hasbro. And for size comparison, here he is with Yamcha from Dragon Ball by SH Figure Arts and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. With the Knights End Batman and Knights End Azrael, both figures from McFarlane Toys. With Bruce Wayne from the Dark Knight film by Modoking Model Kit and Voltes 5 from the Voltes 5 cartoon series by Bandai SMP line Model Kit. With He-Man from the Masters of the Universe line by Super 7 and Casey Jones from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie by NECA. And finally, with Sergeant Slaughter from the G.I. Joe Classified line and Gilgamesh from the Eternals film, both figures by Hasbro. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.